Hello, my name's Kevin Sway, and this is my app, Passion Project Builder, where students can turn their passions into positive community change. First, what problem inspired me to create and design this app? Around the world, countless students have the motivation to create change, to make their schools, community, and even the world a better place. But despite this drive, most never get the chance to begin. Studies show that over 51% of students cite lack of funding as a major barrier preventing their ideas from becoming reality. Another 46% cites a lack in expert guidance or mentorship, meaning they have the passion but not the network to turn ideas into real sustainable projects. And most strikingly, 69% of students are just unsure of where to start. They see issues around them but don't know how to transform an observation into meaningful action. This lack of structure and support means that countless ideas never come to life, not because students don't care, but because they don't have the roadmap, guidance, or confidence to make that first step. That's the problem Passion Project Builder was designed to solve. The application is an LLM integrated platform that helps students design meaningful projects that explore their interests while creating a positive community impact. To begin, the application gathers user input in things like students' interests, strengths, and goals, which will be used by the platform to generate personalized project ideas. Here, you can see an example of student responses where this particular student is passionate about computer science, robotics, and community empowerment. Now, after generating results, each project recommendation includes four key components that guide students through development. The project description outlines what they'll create, the issue it addresses, and key skills gained. The personalized reasoning explains why the project fits that student's passions and goals. The benefits section highlights tailored personal and academic takeaways that promote growth and college readiness. Finally, the timeline provides a clear 10-week roadmap with achievable milestones. Beyond passion project recommendations, the app also offers many supplementary tools that support students throughout their project development journey. The problem database helps students research and explore meaningful real world challenges, while the project planner allows students to track progress and visualize future steps. Next, the resource hub provides guides on things like mentorship and funding to help students manage everything to do with their project. After that, the collaboration section helps students talk with other people, find partners to work with, and just learn about others' experiences. Lastly, the reflection journal helps them document their day-to-day progress for college applications and personal development. I coded my application in VS Code using JavaScript, employing the React.js library for a smooth user interface and the Tailwind CSS framework for web page styling in things like fonts, colors, hover effects, etc. Here's a pipeline for the LLM integration, where the application takes front-end user inputs and sends it to the backend to retrieve an LLM response. This response is then outputted in the front end again in the results page of the website. So that was my application, the Passion Project Builder, turning student passions into community change. Thank you so much for reviewing my application.